And we're back to Inkscape. I've received another question in the comments. Problem is, we want to crop this image, and I've shown you a method to do that. In Inkscape it involves clipping. So let me check, for example, pixels. We have like 1500 in width. We want to have a smaller one, so create a rectangle, switch to pixels, and let me make that maybe 600 times 800. We position that on the diver. It's on top of the image. I select both, right click, set clip. So this is the method that I've shown you to crop images in Inkscape. Problem is now, according to the comments, one of my viewers wanted to trace the bitmap. And if you do that, you can see it brings back the original image. It's because the original is still stored in this clip. You can also see that when I unclip it, so right click and release. And there's our original again. If you want to crop it and then only trace the bitmap of the cropped image, you simply have to export this now. So let me clip it again, and I go to File, Export. I use selection and I make this a PNG. It definitely works with a PNG. Let me call it image 2. Now I import this. And you can see that down here in the line when it's selected, it's an image. And here's our clipped group. And if we now trace the bitmap of this PNG, everything is fine. So this should be what you wanted. And you can see if I switch back to the clip group, we have the original back in the bitmap, or in this preview window of the bitmap tracing. And that should be it. If this doesn't solve your problem, let me know in the comments below and give me a little bit more info. But according to what you've given me, this should be the solution. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.